You look perfect, Alex.
I know. I look great today.
Come on. Come on. We are already late.
Everyone will love my new bag.
No. Okay. Of course they will, sweetheart. Yeah.
How are you?
Have a good day at school.
Will you come to school sports day? I will try, Alex.
I will try, Alex.
You always say that to me. Wow! Alex, your bag is amazing! It came all the way from Italy. Italy? Is it? Nerida? Is it heavy when you carry it? Only for normal people like everyone else. How? Am I? Liam's bag looks so old. Yeah. Maybe it came from the Stone Age. It still works, and that is enough. That is all you need, right? Du går in handen. That was rude, Alex. Nee. You mean Alex? He will be fine. It was nothing. I am always fine. Do not worry.
Good morning, class. Please settle down.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class.
Everyone notices you all the time. Of course they do. I stand out.
Today you will work in pairs.
Emma, you work with me today. With them, you today. Okay. I guess so. I guess so.
No, Alex. No, Alex. I choose the pairs. Alex, you will work with Liam.
Yeah? It is okay. We can do it. No, it isn't hell. No, it is not okay. Let us just do the work first. No, Liam. Dina? You do it. You do it. I do not care. Okay, I will start then. Claire. Liam is always calm with people. Alex acts big, but he looks tired. My driver bought all this for me. That is a lot of food and snacks. Take one. I have too much anyway. Liam always eats alone over there.
Maybe he likes eating alone.
Do you like being alone too? What are you talking about? Do you like being alone too, Alex? Alex?
Yeah, 20. Was it yeah?
I am not alone. Look around. Where is he? He should be here. Is your driver late today?
Yeah.
He will come. I can wait. Do you need help with anything? No. I am fine, really. Okay. See you tomorrow, Alex. Mom, I am home now.
Hello, sweetheart. 1 minute.
Can you help me with homework tonight?
Maybe later. I am busy right now.
You always say later to me.
Did you eat already tonight?
I waited for you at the table.
I had meetings all evening.
You are both always busy with work.
Alex? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I have everything, but no one is really here.
Son, I did not know.
At school, people like my things, not me.
Why did you not tell us before?
Because I thought rich people should not feel lonely.
I am sorry, Alex. Truly sorry.
We gave you things, but not enough time.
Liam, can I talk to you for a minute? Okay. I am listening. No. I was rude to you before. I knew so. I am sorry for that. Because I know how lonely it feels. Look at Houndwell. Gee. Being lonely is hard. I know. Do you want to play after class?
With you?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Yes. I have everything, but I still need one real friend.